You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. There are different pronunciations. In English, it comes from French. So the French pronunciation is as journée, which means a day, essentially. Journée. In English, it's normally pronounced as journey. This is also a given name. Journey. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.